Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Ramadan is nearby and Haleem is especially very popular during Ramadan, traditionally enjoyed in South Asia and Middle East. In this video, I shared my mom's Haleem recipe. To start with, in a bowl, take 1 cup of coarsely blended rice, wheat, 4 to 5 types of lentils, add adequate water and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. In a pan, pour this blended mixture, add bay leaf, half teaspoon of chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Salt according to taste, mix everything well and leave it on a stove until they are fully cooked. Next, I am going to talk about the most important ingredient of Haleem on which the taste of the Haleem greatly varies, and that is called Haleem mix masala. My mom made it at home. She grinded cinnamon, cardamom, cumin, nutmeg, black pepper, dried chili and added a bit of black salt in the mixture. In another pan, she cooked beef as we normally cook it and then added Haleem mix masala while cooking beef. Once the beef is cooked, she added the beef with the mixture of lentils, rice and wheat, and finally tempered it with onion. It's now ready to serve. You can serve it in a bowl. You can garnish it with freshly chopped coriander, green chili, fried onion, a bit of lemon if you want. My family really enjoys Haleem during Ramadan while we break our fast, as it offers you a comforting, wholesome and satisfying meal. I hope you will try this recipe. Thanks for watching.